Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Downshift. I'm your host Nestor. Behind the camera we have Orest. Today is a very exciting day for the BMW M2. It is going to start getting retrofitted with a bunch of carbon fiber. And over here, we got ourselves a bunch of packages from our buddies over at RWCarbon. Big shout out to them for hooking us up and giving us a sweet deal on this stuff. They sent us over a ton of carbon fiber, namely stuff for the front grille, lips, spoiler, diffuser, skirts, everything. So this thing is going to be decked out with carbon fiber. We're getting wheels as well pretty soon. So this car is going to transform a lot, and I'm just really excited. So we have ourselves about $5,000 worth of carbon fiber, which is pretty nuts if you think about it. But honestly, like I mentioned, we are retrofitting the entire car with carbon from the front, the sides, the back. It's going to change the way this car looks. So we're going to do an unboxing video here today of all this stuff, show you all the goodies we got, and then what we're going to do is subsequently follow up with a bunch of install videos for each and every component.
Let's not forget that these are also from RW, and these are a thing of beauty. Look at that, eh? The whole car is going to be like that soon. What do you think?
I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I think the most important thing is the grills and the front splitter here.
Yeah, let's take a look.
It's going to look amazing.
Oh yeah, it's just too, you know, it's white. We got a little bit of black, but we need those accents.
Too much silver. That silver needs to go. So this is gonna be great. Let's jump into the unboxing now.
Yep. All right. So first and foremost, we got to remember that this stuff is
fragile and
fragile, baby, fragile.
Fragile, and you should handle with care. Alrighty, so
let's do it.
We're starting off with the long one here?
Yeah, let's smaller and then we'll work our way up.
Yeah, we'll work our way up.
There are some holes though, which is a bit strange, right?
All right, but I'm guessing there's gonna be side skirts in here because these are the longest piece, but we shall see here. I don't even know where to start cutting, so let's just go ahead and make sure we definitely don't cut the carbon fiber because that would be very, very bad.
Hey guys, it came scratched.
It came scratched. What? So odd.
Okay.
There we go.
Brute force.
Yeah, so these are the side skirts for sure.
Oh, look at that. We got stickers.
Nice. Let's go. We got more lanyards right there as well.
Oh, dude.
Perfect. So this is bundled up really well. They did not want this getting damaged, and I don't blame them. And oh my god, this is so light. Hold on.
Yep.
2-finger test. One
girls
finger
for the girls, baby.
1-finger test. This thing is light as hell. So proper carbon fiber. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Oh yeah, okay. Bubble wrapped, styrofoam. This thing is good and ready for transport. I think we have separated the splitters. Now it's time to
really unwrap it?
To really unwrap it here. Here's the one thing actually about the splitters. This was the one piece that I wasn't sure if I wanted to order.
The splitters or the side skirts?
Oh, sorry, the side skirts. Sorry. Yeah, because I didn't know how they would look on this car specifically. Yeah. Because it has a lot of like lines and angles on the sides of the car, so I didn't know if it would fit well. But we're about to find out how it looks.
Yeah, let's take a look. Hold on. I don't really know how it looks because I know you've looked into that, but let's see. I trust your judgment on this one.
All right, after 4 days of unboxing, oh, here it is. Look at that! Look at that carbon fiber.
There's just something about carbon. I don't know what it is.
This is such a long piece too though. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This almost seems too long for the car, doesn't it?
It actually does.
It seems very, very long. Oh.
It's for an X7 maybe.
Damn, look at that.
Okay.
Look at that. So I think this is going to be the same system as the C8.
Yeah, so we do have drill holes.
We have... Are these might be like the C8 where, what were they called? They weren't screws, they were
rivets.
Rivets, that's what they were. Maybe these are rivets. Let's find out how this looks on the car though here, guys.
Yeah, that looks better. That looks like it fits. Let me help you here. Oh yeah. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
How do you feel about that?
I actually really like it. The only concern I have, I think you probably know what it is.
What?
Someone stepping on it. You know, like getting in and someone just trips or something?
It trips?
I don't know, I'm just...
Yeah. No, but with drill holes or screws or rivets, whatever they are, we'll find out soon.
Yeah, definitely.
It looks really good, actually.
No, it's clean. Hold on.
It looks really nice.
Can you hold it like that? I'm gonna step back.
I'm holding. Yeah, I think that would look really nice, actually.
Yeah, that'll do it.
That's really nice. I like that. I like that a lot. So that's one of the biggest pieces, I guess, that we're gonna have. We should probably bundle this back up, huh?
Yeah, I don't want to scratch that.
Yeah, this looks like a dude in the weight of this.
Yeah.
This weighs literally nothing.
Well, good. It doesn't save any weight because technically you're adding weight.
Technically we're adding, so.
Yeah.
This is so beautiful, though. I mean, just look at the weave as well. The quality of the weave here. Don't see any imperfections. Looks real nice, beautiful. Perfect stuff. Even the bottom. I mean, look, this is the part we're not gonna see.
Yeah.
Right? It's under the car and it's flawless. Alrighty, now we got the big boy package. This is gonna contain everything else. The diffuser, the grill pieces, the front lip, the spoiler, a lot of good stuff in here, so.
Or at least let's hope so.
Let's hope so, yeah. Who knows? Maybe there's like nothing in here. Actually, I think it just opens like this and you pull everything out.
Think so?
I think so.
Yeah, why not? No point in cutting it open.
All right, first things first.
That's the front lip, no? Or the diffuser?
It's gotta be diffuser. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is a big boy. Look at this thing.
That is so cool. That looks like a wing or something,
That's crazy, isn't it? I think this is gonna be like one of the coolest pieces on the car.
Yeah,
for sure.
definitely. It's so aggressive.
I don't know if you know this. It's actually on this one. There's a light. Did I
light?
tell you? There's a light on the bottom of it.
Like in the middle?
Yep.
Okay, so like the Subarus kind of.
Yeah.
And the race cars.
Exactly.
So this is a full-on race car. Okay. Oh no way!
Yeah, there it is. Check
and it
that
works?
out. Yeah, it works.
Like it has cables?
Yeah, everything.
Wow, this
all
is
that
cool.
stuff. So this is gonna be.
That's a nice little surprise.
This is gonna be a crazy build for sure.
I did not know that was coming.
Oh
Boom.
yeah. Bang! That is beautiful.
Holy,
Check that out.
those LEDs.
That's how that's gonna sit. And so on the inside we got some cable work that we're gonna have to do.
Dude, this is so aggressive.
Let's take a look at it on the back, shall we?
Yeah, let's do that.
It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. Here, I'll put it up like this.
Yeah, there's nothing on the side right now, so
Check
that's
this out,
gonna be
check this out.
accentuated.
How sick is that gonna be?
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
Cannot wait. This is gonna be one of the coolest pieces for sure on the whole car.
Wow. And I was excited about the side skirts.
Yup. Spoiler, gotta be.
I see that double-sided tape.
Yeah, it's gotta be the spoiler. It has to be.
That is huge.
Unless it's the lip. Maybe this is the front lip.
Dude, this thing is huge.
Whatever this is, this thing's massive. We'll embarrass the Audi carbon fiber indeed. Here we go. Oh yeah. Wait a second.
Wait, what?
No, this is no.
Oh, it is the front.
It is the front lip.
Okay, yeah, I got worried for a second.
I was gonna say this thing's massive. Wow, there's a lot of holes in here though. So we're gonna have to do a lot of construction work here on the car, I think.
This is a big one.
All right, pull that end off. Okay, so we got a ton of 3M here.
Oh yeah.
And we have a lot of holes too if we wanna actually secure it properly. So let's take a this
yeah, that is
nice.
aggressive AF. Dude, you're gonna scrape on everything.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I remember your other M2, you already scraped without a freaking lip.
Yeah, this thing's nutty, huh?
Dude, you are gonna scrape
this thing looks
shit
cool.
out of this.
This thing looks cool. All right, so that's what, 3 pieces so far? We got the
Yep.
We got this, we had the side skirts, and then what else? The diffuser so far. All right, let's keep it going. Oh. All right, now this has got to be the spoiler.
Yeah, that's
1000% is the spoiler. This I'm most excited about because it really makes the whole back end super aggressive.
This might be one of the easier things, other than removing the adhesive.
Yeah, removing the adhesive is going to be really tough, so I wouldn't call this an easy job per se.
Yep, that is definitely.
Oh, look at this! I found a little workaround. Look at this! You can just go around it.
A life hack?
Life hack right there. Alrighty, so we got most of it off here.
Oh, it's got the indents on it.
Look at that.
Okay, so
yeah,
it's not just smooth.
This is the GTX styled, I think they call it. I'm gonna have to check the website, but
yeah, that's different than mine.
Dude, look at this thing. This thing's wild.
Let's walk it back. Let's walk it back.
This thing's wild.
Look at this little guy.
Alrighty, so we got the little guy here, and then this is. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that is way.
This thing's gonna be aggressive.
Look at the kicker on this thing right here. It's just pow.
Kid, you could build like a little skate park out of this thing over here. You know,
pretty much.
You know the tech decks? You know the tech decks off
exactly.
it? This thing's wild though. This is gonna look so cool. So we got the nice
carbon.
Honestly, not a huge difference, but I mean, you know, it's
it's definitely much bigger.
It's bigger, but I mean,
look at. Yeah, that would be a little bit.
You want a double carbon fiber spoiler?
Yeah, that actually looks kind of gangster.
Double it up. That doesn't look too bad actually. Let's put it on here instead.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man.
That is huge.
Yeah. Okay, so this has got to be my favorite part so far.
Okay.
I mean, the diffuser is a close second, but I think this is my favorite part because
dude, the lip surprised me. I was not expecting it to be that aggressive.
The lip's crazy too. So let's go ahead and see what else we got because we're not done just yet. Right?
It's nice because I actually haven't seen any of this stuff even on the computer. That is what I'm talking about.
Okay, so we get one grill at a time. Okay, I thought they'd be packaged together, but. Here is the 2 of them in carbon fiber. What else do we have here?
Dose.
We got, for the diffuser for sure. That's for the diffuser. And we also got ourselves a box. Now, what could be in the goodie box?
It's definitely screws and things of that nature.
Doesn't sound like anything's in here. Let's open this up first because this has got my attention. It sounds like there's absolutely nothing in here. What could this be?
Stack of money.
A stack of money.
That'd be nice.
RW just decides to be
charitable organization.
Charity.
Oh, those things.
I forgot about these.
Wow.
These are the side markers of the side grills.
Wow.
Damn, look how these are packaged. It's nice,
That is
eh?
clean.
Let's take a look.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, that's 100%.
Oh,
neat.
yeah.
Oh, look, done.
Oh, yeah.
First mod.
Done. It's up. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Look at that.
Wow.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah, that is clean.
Look at that. Matches this perfectly as well.
Oh,
Whoo! And it'll match the side skirts right here as well. Damn,
okay,
son.
we're ready.
This is the last thing.
Okay.
The grills. Ready?
Pow.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And then you can obviously carry over that M2
That
badge,
is
right?
beautiful. Yes, sir.
Wait, is it one piece? Because they're usually two piece.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, they are, yeah. It's
Yeah.
a two piece, yeah.
Yeah. But it all goes in together, right?
Yep.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So much better.
Yep. The
This will
chrome
be
ruins
so
it.
much better. Yeah. Yeah.
That's the biggest thing.
That's why I went white, to be honest with you, because if you do get a lot of chrome, or sorry, if you get a lot of like black, like how we did the roof with the
Yeah.
vinyl, if you get a lot of carbon fiber, it really makes the white kind of pop, and it's complementary, right?
Yeah,
Black
it
and
is.
white.
Yeah.
That's the
Nice
really
little
nice thing.
contrast on it.
And here's the next one too.
Especially once it's clean and you actually wash your car.
Yeah, yeah, because mine's extremely dirty. I mean, we got dead, but what is that? We got like blood, we got goo, we got black legs
That's
on
something.
there.
That's something.
That's something. We killed something on the road for sure. All right, guys, but that is basically everything that we got sent from RWCarbon. Once again, massive shout out to them. If you guys are looking for any parts, definitely go ahead and click the link in the description of this video. They make stuff for not only M cars, but also AMGs, Audis, you know, S-Line, all sorts of different vehicles. So definitely check them out. Definitely upgrades your car and makes it look real spicy out there on the road. So massive shout out to them once again.